Tell me what happened today with Lucia.
Lucia is crabby today, so she got a time out. So she showed in my ear.
Mm-hmm.
So she had time out already, so she just cried. So her mom just put her in time out.
Was that a good idea?
Uh-huh.
What else happened with Lucia today?
Anybody.
Mm-hmm.
I will come to Nanny's house
Tomorrow?
tonight.
Tonight. Can you tell me what you're having for dinner?
I'm having chicken and milk, and I'm having milk, and I'm having soup.
What are these things called over here?
Squishy beans.
Squishing beans. Cool. I love you.
I love you too.
Blow me a kiss.